Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts. We have put up a new GitHub repo that you can add some specific applications to your network that haven't been routed in App Relocator. Take a look at this video and you'll see what I mean. If you navigate to the site github.com/skaterjuice, you can see that there's a new repo called CSV Apps. This is very simple, and there's also a walkthrough at the bottom which will explain the entire process. Very simply, you can find new applications that have not been routed for App Relocator just yet. Find the application that you want and download the CSV file. Once you've downloaded the CSV file, log into your device and then make sure that you have the country enabled that is specific to this application. For this example, Joe Hotstar, which is being routed to India. Once I log into my device, I make sure to go to DPN tunnel and make sure that India is being routed. Now I can go to Smart Rules and Custom Domain and import the CSV file that I have just downloaded. Now Joe Hotstar is being routed. This repo will constantly be updated with new applications that are country specific. At present, we have some applications for Australia, India, China, Ukraine, Norway, and some US applications. Over time, we'll continue to add applications, and then we will delete some that are being routed to App Relocator.
Deeper network of the users, by the users, for the users.